So, hi guys! So, for today, syempre, balik tayo sa unboxing ng stationery items. So, I'm gonna open it first, guys. Tanggalin muna natin yung packaging. Sa pagkakatanda ko, more on ano ata to? Memo pads. I think, sobrang dami kasi nila na hindi ko nabubuksan pa. So, yun. Nakakalimutan ko na yung yung laman nila. Pero wait lang. Tanggalin lang natin, guys. So, yun nga. Assorted items pala siya. I'm wrong. So, ito na, guys. This one yung mga Bear assorted stationery items na Bear yung design. So, wait lang, guys. Okay, malapit na. So, ito na siya, guys. Ayan na sila. So, first, we have here notebook na Bear. Also, this one. Two designs siya. I think this is colored Colored pages. We also have yung parang washi type na memo pad. We also have three designs. The yellow, purple, and blue. We also have memo pads here. Tanggalin lang natin yung tape. So, ito yung pink. The blue one, orange, or parang yellow and purple. So, ito siya, guys. Iisang design lang siya. So, various items. We have the notebook, washi tape memo, and the memo pads. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you, guys!